All right, we're gonna do a short little video here. We already kind of changed it out. Got the Sportsman 500 HO. We had no power and we had no headlights. Looked at some stuff online. I really couldn't find a good video on this. There are a bunch of things were telling me. This is an 04. A bunch of places were telling me to look for breakers and baggies and stuff like that, and I couldn't find any. Another one told me to look for a fuse box down here in the front. Couldn't find it. And then I traced the wires back and I seen this puppy. Actually, where's he at? Where's the old one? Okay, I seen this puppy right here mounted to the firewall right there where the new silver one is. So, started looking it up, found out that the old ones were black, and they were actually recalled. This puppy right here. So you want to get the replacement for that, which is this guy in here. And he looks nothing like the other one, but the plug ends that come with it fit. See, he's got a big old fat connector down here. Let's see if I can get down in there. There you go. Shay's lifting it up so we can see it. It's got the big old fat connector. This one had 3 connectors on it. This just has one, but it's got a whip that fits all 3 of these connectors. We changed this puppy out and had to change. We changed the battery out. We believe what caused this was putting the battery terminals on backwards. Put the positive on the negative, negative on the positive on accident when we were swapping out a bad battery. And I think by doing that, it messed up the ECM. But anyway, Shay, why don't you turn the key here? And let's see if we got lights and power. We got lights. All right, turn the key and let's see if it actually turns over. It turned over. I don't think the choke's on. There we go. What? All right, go ahead and turn it off. All right. So that's it. Short and sweet. There's just 2 little screws up here to take this out. One there and one there. And they're like star or hex or something. But I'll get you the model number of the new one, because that was also a pain in the butt to find. This guy right here, that's what you want. It's a kit. All right. Hopefully that helps somebody else go through a lot less trouble than I did. 3 days later, we got it running.